Okay, so today we are a group of IU students out here at the IU Championship Golf Course. What we're doing is we're working on a project for something called green infrastructure, which is basically a way to create more sustainable features for water quality. We're doing something called a WASCOB. It stands for a Water and Sedimentation Control Basin, and we are vegetating it with plants that we've been cultivating for over a year now. And the idea is to improve the water quality that runs off the golf course. So when it storms and rains really hard, all of that water, all of those nutrients, everything running off of both the golf course surface, but also that comes across the highway, comes out onto this land and enters our waterways. Kind of low-cost features that use natural elements to clean up the nutrients and also slow that flow down a little bit, so there's not so much wear and tear on our rivers.